on the Jurassic Breezer 30 with Birchie.
Hello. What's the next one we need, is it?
Yeah, next one is Overcombe Corner. Yeah. Next stop, Overcombe Corner.
Lovely.
Yeah. Well, you guys enjoy your day.
Oh, you too.
Oh, thanks.
See you in Swanage.
See you in Swanage.
See you in Bern.
Right. So this afternoon, me and Luke Birch are on 1108 HW58 ARX, one of the Jurassic Breezer liveries. ETA to Weymouth King statue. Should be about 12:20 p.m.
I think you can tell if I'm happy.
Yeah, I know. This stop is Overcombe Corner, more like Undercombe Corner.
My goodness me.
Yeah. Why are we so happy in Weymouth?
It's probably because this is like our second home, really.
Yeah.
And you know, Leo, I'm going to be moving here
Really?
in the future, yeah.
Yeah.
To get enough money to support myself and also more than food.
I know.
Around to stay. Then, yeah, it all depends on how the future goes.
I know. Oh boy.
From really when I thought I was one of the old schools with Argos then, but no,
Where did you see it?
I didn't see it.
Ah.
I thought I saw it, but I didn't see it.
I know.
Lodge Moor Country Park.
Yeah.
Leo, you might have got them a bit early.
Oh, why? Why?
The seafront one is Overcome the thing they were wanting.
Yeah, they wanted Overcombe Corner.
Then never mind.
Yeah. Never mind at all. But look at this. We're in Weymouth. Hey! Yes.
Yeah.
We're finally here. The sea, the Portland, Weymouth. All right, sure, do it. Next stop, Weymouth Sea Life Centre. A light here for Lodge Moor Country Park. Weymouth Sea Life Centre.
Got a nice photo there.
Yeah, I'm sure. Cause look at this. Does this bring any nostalgia to you, Luke?
Of course it does.
Right, this stop is Weymouth Sea Life Centre.
Pirate Adventure Mini Golf.
Next stop, Malcolm Avenue. Ah! Birchie!
That'll be funny for your audience to hear.
Yeah. Blimey, now I've got 180 subscribers for my YouTube channel.
You're doing well, mate.
Yeah.
You're doing really well. Keep on going, keep on working hard, and you'll get to be on by, Matt. I'm confident.
Yeah.
I'm confident that you will.
Green Hill Gardens. Yeah. And last but not, after Green Hill Gardens, it's Lennox Street, then Weymouth King statue. Yeah. Oh, Lennox Street. Whew. Oh my days, you are such in a hyper mood, Luke. You know that?
Still haven't been here in almost like 1 week-ish.
I know. Wait a sec. Now! This stop is Lennox Street. Next stop, Weymouth King Statue. A light here for centre, front and harbour. This service terminates here.